TONEX versus Neural DSP plugin. Which guitar plugin is better? Choosing the right guitar plugin can completely change how you craft your tone without struggling with complex setups. TONEX offers AI-driven amp modeling, while Neural DSP focuses on detailed, high-quality simulations. TONEX and Neural DSP plugin are two leading guitar amp simulators with distinct approaches. TONEX uses AI technology to create realistic amp tones from any guitar sound, while Neural DSP delivers meticulously crafted studio-grade amp and effects models. The core difference lies in AI-driven adaptability versus handcrafted precision. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar plugin developed by IK Multimedia that captures the unique character of any amplifier by analyzing its sound. It works by recording your amp's tone and then using deep learning to recreate it digitally, enabling you to play with your own signature sound anywhere. This approach offers unmatched realism and versatility, especially for guitarists who want to preserve their specific amp tone without lugging gear. TONEX excels at replicating complex amp behaviors and dynamic responses, making it ideal for musicians seeking authentic, personalized tones. However, its reliance on AI means initial setup requires capturing your amp's sound, which may not suit users looking for instant presets. Also, since it focuses on recreating real amps, it may have less variety in futuristic or heavily processed sounds. TONEX is best for players who want a faithful digital copy of their physical amplifier and value the convenience of AI-driven tone replication. Neural DSP plugin offers a range of meticulously engineered guitar amp and effects models designed for studio-quality sound. Unlike TONEX, which relies on AI to replicate amps, Neural DSP develops each model through detailed digital signal processing and expert sound design. This results in plugins that deliver rich, polished tones with extensive control over every parameter. Neural DSP's strengths lie in its diverse selection of amps, cabinets, and effects, catering to genres from metal to blues with precision and clarity. The plugin is easy to use, with ready-to-go presets that suit both beginners and professionals. However, it lacks the personalized amp replication that TONEX provides, since it does not capture your specific hardware tone. Neural DSP is ideal for guitarists who want a broad palette of high-quality sounds and prefer a streamlined workflow without the need for custom amp profiling. Comparing TONEX and Neural DSP highlights two different philosophies in guitar plugin design. TONEX offers personalized amp replication through AI, perfect for players wanting their exact amp's tone in a digital format, ideal for touring or home recording without the physical amp. Neural DSP, on the other hand, provides a wide range of expertly crafted amp models and effects, delivering polished sounds instantly with extensive preset options. TONEX requires an initial learning curve to capture your amp's sound, while Neural DSP is ready out of the box. For studio musicians or those needing diverse tones quickly, Neural DSP is more convenient. For guitarists focused on authenticity and capturing their unique amp sound, TONEX stands out. The trade-off is between AI-driven realism and handcrafted tonal variety. Choose TONEX if capturing your unique amplified tone with AI precision is your priority and you want a faithful digital replica of your gear. Neural DSP is the better choice if you want a versatile, high-quality guitar plugin with a broad selection of amps and effects, ready to use with minimal setup. Both excel, but your choice depends on whether you value personalized AI tone or diverse crafted sounds.